So then it says, in more developed people, we already know what more developed means, right? The will center is located in the Ajna Chakra, Bina, in Hebrew, right? Bina. So the Ajna Chakra, that's the word, the will center. That's why sometimes you see Pranayas go like this, or you see, this whole thing or whatever, because you're trying to focus, right? Or you are very emotional, sometimes you go like that, right? And sometimes we do it automatically, right? Something is happening and, you have an emotional thing and you're like, when you breathe, breathing, and then, but automatically we just go like this. Why? Because this focus, this chakra also is also called the director, right? If we go back, I think it's here, but it's called the director. And this director, it also, in a way, controls the other chakras. It harmonizes the other chakras, right? So it controls the other chakras. I'm trying to think of the word, but let's just go by there. Regulates. That's the word that I was looking for. Regulates the other chakras. So it's called. That's why they call it the director. And why? Because this is the will center in more developed people. They generally use it more like this. They'll go and they say, okay, so this is like this, like this, like this. Then therefore we should do this and this and that. Okay. So, oh man, but I really want to eat that chocolate cake. Mm-hmm. Yes, but if I eat that chocolate cake, this will happen. I already lost so many calories. I already did so much exercise. Maybe not today. Maybe I can do it next week. Okay, done. No buts. Let's just get it done. Period. So it's more, it's one-pointedness also, right? So this is the place for focusing, for one-pointedness, achieving goals. If you want to, say, achieve a goal, you want to be one-pointed. You don't want to say whatever feeling or emotion you get. I feel like going here this day. Your goal is to get to get a haircut, right? Like I need a haircut right now, so I gotta go get a haircut. So okay, but I'm gonna go this way. They sell this great thing, and I'm gonna go on and buy some food. It's great food. Okay, let me go there first, and then I can't imagine how today is when all the trees bloom. I'm gonna to the park real quick, and then I'll go get a haircut. And then, tomorrow, for sure tomorrow, and then something else happens. Oh man, I feel like, where's my friend? I want to call my friend. See, all this I want to is me, and all these emotions, and then you never get to it. And then, oh no, but I gotta do some work, maybe, and then your whole thing. But if you're one-pointed, I gotta go ahead. Oh, hey, listen, you want to go? No, I can't. Oh, this place sells great things, or great food is awesome. I can get it, but I need to go get a haircut, period. You get your haircut. So that's one-pointedness. That's what the difference of will is. Understand? And that's sometimes when you used to, like my mom says, we gotta do what we gotta do, whether we like it or not. Don't even think about it. Just get it done. Let's just get it done. So shout out to my mom. wise woman. All right. So like every mom out there. So.
Shout out to mothers.
Shout out to mothers, yes. Yes. Word. Okay. So it says here, the author continues saying that Bina, or the Ajna Chakra, right, which is the will on more developed people, the will center for more developed people, is active intelligence. This is the will center for the intelligentsia, or the more developed people. The intelligence is used to will or direct the activities of other people, right? That is why managers or executives in Europe are called directors, because they direct. Oh, like the director of the Ajna Chakra. Oh, interesting. Okay, good. This type of intelligence is called active intelligence, directing intelligence, or creative intelligence, which is different from sterile intelligence. There are people who dress and talk well but do not produce results. This is sterile intelligence. You can be very intelligent, but if you don't do anything with your intelligence, if you have no will, You can be the most intelligent person in the world is basically what it's saying. You can have all the money in the world. You can have the best charisma in the world. You can have anything. And the most talented person. If you don't have any will to do anything with these things, it's sterile. Nothing gets done. You can have all the money in the world, but then what happens to that money? It's just sitting there. You can have all the best intentions, all the, whatever. You can be the most intelligent person in the world, but if you don't will this intelligence to do something productive, it's sterile. Nothing is done. There is no will. You can be very intelligent, but there's no will, nothing happens.